Okay guys, I'm going to power it on and let's see if the LED light will light up. See? It's light up. Welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Maligayang pagdating sa aking channel. I have with me a 12 volts DC power supply and I want to light up this 3.5 LED light with 25 milliamps, and the question is what value of the resistor should I use to light up this LED. Okay guys, meron akong 12 volts power supply. Gusto kong pailawin itong LED na meron siyang voltahe na 3.5 at 25 milliampere. Anong value ng resistor ang kakailanganin ko para mapailaw ko ito na hindi puputok? The title should be, ang title guys ng ating topic ay resistor value for 3.5 LED using 12 volts power supply. Using Ohm's law guys, the formula should be R is equal to volts divided by ampere. So R stands for resistor, V stands for volts, I stands for current. And this LED here 3.5 volts, 25 milliamps. 25 milliamps. And first thing to do guys, since our power supply is 12 volts, therefore 12 volts minus 3.5 divided by 25 divided by 1000, because this is milliamps and we're gonna do it with amps. So okay, we will going to close and open parenthesis this one, close and open parenthesis, and to minus this one we got 8.5 volts. Then we're going to divide that one with, and if we're gonna divide 25 milliamps to 1000, that will be 0.025 ampere, and the answer is equal to 340 ohms. Kakailanganin natin ng 340 ohms para mapailaw natin ito gamit ang 12 volts na power supply. At maghahanap tayo dito. I'm going to find 340 ohms to light up this one. And to make the story short, I have with me guys orange, brown, which is 330 ohms, and I'm looking for 10 ohms, so I got with me a 10 ohms, and I'm gonna show you what value I got. Papakita ko sa inyo guys kung anong value ang akin nakuha. So connected in series, 10 ohms, 330 ohms is equal to at 335, which I'm going to use that one, and to use this, the bigger side here guys is the positive, so we're going to put that here like that. Now that we connect the resistor to the light emitting diode and connected to the positive side, we're going to test that one, guys, to power up using 12 volts power supply. At I'm gonna connect here. Ito guys, testingin na natin ang ating light emitting diode. Nag-connect natin yung 340 na resistor na nag-change na yung value niya. Gamit itong 12 volts power supply. And then I'm going to power this on, and there, it's light up, guys. Yan guys, umilaw siya. So ganyan lang gagawin nyo, guys, just in case na gagamit ka ng LED. Huwag nyo dadirect sa 2 volts, hindi siya pa-up